Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find and confirm all follow requests on Threads app. Well, you don't go to your followers tab, you go down to the bottom where the heart icon is, click on that and then all under the activity, you are going to see as you scroll down some follow request. You can confirm this easily just by tapping on confirm if there is any request, or you can follow them back if you want to. How do you confirm all of these at once, and can you confirm them all at once? Unfortunately, right now you can't. I know a lot of people are asking how to confirm everything at once, but you can't. So hopefully they give us a button at some point. It's relatively easy to click through this. I know this side of the app has been a little bit buggy as far as you come back here and their like disappeared, or you have to confirm them again or something. But basically all of these followers are people that try to follow your account before you had an account. So once you join Threads, you have to like confirm all of these follows that couldn't follow you priority to you joining. But this is where you can find all of your follow requests. Hopefully Threads adds a feature to confirm all of these requests or auto confirm all requests in the near future. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.